Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. If you are new, please subscribe it. And below this video, you may find a complete course about this trading strategy. So guys, today I'm applying the strategy with the Bollinger Bands and the CCI indicator in the Olymp Trade broker. This is my real account, my live account, my USD account, and I also have a demo account, but I don't use it. I don't use it anymore. So guys, if you like this strategy and you have any question during this video, please write it below on the comment section. All right, let's see the different pairs to find out some opportunity. The only pairs that I'm taking are the one which offers 80 or more than 80 percentage of profit. So let's check. I think this is a good pair that is offering 82 percentage. So we can make a trade for $10. Also in this one. Right, so let me explain to you briefly how I apply this strategy. The first thing I do is to add my indicators. This is the indicator, the Bollinger Bands, 20 period, 2 standard deviation, as you can see, and I also add the CCI indicator as an oscillator. So once the price, for example, in this case, we had an opportunity to trade reversal entry, just right here. We had the price touching and overpassing the upper Bollinger Bands, and also we have the CCI on the overbought zone. So as simple as that. Once we have the price, once we have those two conditions, we can get ready for for the trade setup. To take an entry. For example, if I want to buy this market, the first condition I need is the price to go down to the lower Bollinger Bands. And the second condition is the CCI indicator on the oversold zone. So on the meantime, let's see if we have any other pair close to an opportunity. Let me see. Let me see some stocks. No, no, no. I don't know if you have seen the last video that I upload about this broker, but I recommend you to see it because I explain in details all about this strategy in that video. So I think it's recommendable for you if you want to apply this strategy. Something else I want to let you know, all of my followers, my subscriber, I want to start uploading more content to this YouTube channel. More different content about business, stock market, forex, cryptocurrency, and something else. Okay, I don't know the day exactly when I'm going to start, but I'm thinking about it. Just to let you know, I hope you support my content and you like it. All right, guys. I think this pair is about to give us an opportunity. Yeah, as we can see, we are having all the conditions. We just need the price to touch at least the lower Bollinger Bands. It's much better if it go beyond the lower Bollinger Bands. I mean, if the price goes beyond the lower bollinger band, it would be a more effective trade to the upside. So I'll pause this video for a couple of minutes to see if we can find out an opportunity, our first opportunity today. All right, guys, here we go. Let's see if the price finally touched the lower Bollinger Band. It's very close to it. Remember, you can also combine this strategy with price action, support and resistance level. For example, we have a support right here. So I think that combination is very effective. Of course, if you know how to work with price action and if you know the principles for price action. All right, guys, this is an opportunity, but no, I am not very convinced about this trade to the upside yet because it hasn't touched my lower Bollinger Band yet. So I need to wait. We need to be patient to have a very good profit in the trading. So let's wait. Let's see another pair that I'm following to see what happened. No, 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 no. No opportunities yet. No opportunity. This is the one closest to an opportunity. But I need to be patient to take the best one. Alright, guys, it's delaying our entry, but let's see this pair. Alright, we have this pair very close to the upper Bollinger Bands. We also have the CCI on the overbought zone, so we can consider this one. Yeah, let's take the entry to the downside. Alright, so meanwhile, let's see if we got the opportunity finally. No, no, not yet. Let's wait for this one. I think I made the entry a little bit late, but it's okay. I think we can win this trade. It's very close to this resistance level, so I think it's an opportunity. All right. Let me check. Oh, we are missing. We have 10 seconds left, and the market is breaking up. Let's see what happened. Right, yeah. Let me take another one, but I would take two trades to recover the first loss. And let me check the other pair, which is this. All right. Now it's moving down. I want this price to touch the lower Bollinger Band because I know it's supporting all of this level as you can see. I mean it's being rejected from here. All right. Okay. Let's take the first entry. So yeah, we have let's see. Oh yeah, we are winning the first trade. All right, we won this trade. We won the first one and also the second one. Great. I'll take another trade. Oh, was a little bit delay, but it's okay. I think we can we can still win. Let's see what is happening in our first pair, which was this one. Let's see what is happening there. Yes, it's moving toward our target, and yes, we won this trade too, guys. So guys, as you can see, we just have to follow some rules to win with this strategy. It's not that hard, but we need to be patient. We need to be patient enough, okay, and try to take the entry at the very closing of the candlestick, because you can see here we took the entry delay, and maybe because of that we lost this trade. All right, I'll take another entry in this pair. Let me check just at the closing. I'll wait for the closing of this candlestick and take an entry to the downside. Yeah, let me take another one. All right, we are okay. So let's just wait what happened with this trade. I think we can win this trade. If we win this trade, we will recover the first loss in this pair. Guys, as I told you at the beginning, if you have any question in regard to this strategy, just let me know on the comment section. And also remember to tell me what other content you prefer to see in this YouTube channel. Stock market, business content, or what else? Remember to do that, please. All right. Yeah, we lost the first one, and let's see the second one. We won the second one. Let me take another entry to the upside because it hasn't reached our goal. And I'll take another for $5. Yeah, and let's wait. Okay, we have like 45 seconds left in the last trade, but in the first trade we only have 20 seconds. And as you can see, I took this trade at the very higher level price in between this range, and we are winning. Yes, we won the first one. Let's see for the second one, only 1 second left, and yes, we won. And finally we have 6 seconds left. All right, for $5 we lost that one, but it's okay. I think we can finally take two trades more for the downside because the price hasn't moved to the downside yet. Yeah, so I still believe in this entry. Okay, so guys, remember to control your emotions, control your feelings, because you have $6,000, for example. You don't have to take entry for $100 or $200 to recover a loss. No, guys, you need to control the risk, your money, and your emotions, and be patient because the trading is about to be patient and take the opportunities that the market presents. All right, we won the first one and also the second one. We are winning the last one. Guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, please subscribe it and let me know any question you have. Okay, I see you soon.